Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin.
In this video, we'll work on exercise number 63. To start off, we'll go to File, New, and double click on the part template. And we have the empty workspace open on the right side. Let's go to the sketch and click on the sketch and start doing the sketch by doing it on the top plane here. Let's completely consider this rectangle down and create a rectangle. Alright, now let's smart dimension it. That's 145 by 72. Let's exit the sketch here and do a pad of 25. Now we have this portion here for which we have to do a pocket. So let's do the sketch and do a corner rectangle. Let's do a rectangle here and let's do maybe 50. This is 50 and this length would be 72. Exit the sketch and then we can go for features and extruded cut, and this would be 6. Alright, now we have that done, and now let's move on to this portion here. So to do this portion, let's take this face here, click on the sketch. What we can do is just create a rectangle and do a dimension that would be 90 minus 25. We have that done. Exit the sketch. Now you can go for before exiting the sketch, what we have to do is edit sketch, Control 8, and select this line and this line here and go for collinear. So we have a completely constrained sketch there. Now you can go for features, extrude boss and base, select the sketch here, and in the reverse direction you have to do 36. That is 36, so edit feature 36. Alright, now we have that done as well. Now we need to do this slot here. So again, select that face, go for the sketch, and this time let's create a circle, and then let's create a couple of lines. One, oops, yeah, another line here, close this, and more lines, Alright, now let's give dimension for these circle. So this circle will be of radius 30, so diameter will be 60. Let's just pull the circle towards this side. And what else? This is 24, so let's give like this line to this line. Similarly, this line to this line is 24. Alright, and from here to here is 30, so let's just give 30 here, and from here to here also it's 30. Alright, now this circle is lying at a height of 48, so from this point to this bottom it's 48. We have to do this, or we have to continue doing this until we get a completely constrained sketch. Also, we can select this origin and this origin here and go for vertical, and we have a completely constrained sketch here. Now we can do next would be to use a trim command and trim those unwanted portions here. And now you can simply exit the sketch. Now you can go for extruded cut and do an extruded cut of maybe 12, tick mark, and we have that done. Now we have to create this hole here, so again select this face and go for the sketch, and you can create a hole here, and that hole will be of diameter 24. Exit the sketch, and you can do an extruded cut of up to next, tick mark. Now we have that done as well. Now we have to do a couple of a slot over here. So to do that, select this face here and go for the sketch, and we can simply create a circle and a line. Select that line horizontal over here, and similarly you can create another line here from here to here, and use a trim command to trim this portion. And also finally you can give a radius of 12 here, and at a distance of 50. And this is at a height of 24 plus 12 will be how much, or else you can just simply give 24 here. That will also suffice. Now it's a fully constrained sketch. Exit the sketch. Now I can go for extruded cut, and I can give up to next over here, tick mark. Now we have that done as well. So that's about this exercise. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned and thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts on this video, put them on the comment section and I'll try to respond to them as early as I can. If you think my videos are helpful, hit the like, subscribe and share button. If you're interested to get How Engineers Do It t-shirt, you can get it by contacting me. I've put an image of it on the next slide. Here's a t-shirt. If you've got any CAD related requirements, don't hesitate to contact me anytime. I'm always looking forward to work with you. You can personally get in touch with me at ketia.pro.user@gmail.com. Thank you for your time and stay tuned.